Welcome to another Thoughts on Tech video. Today it's time to give use to my USB multimeter again. We compare the battery charging times on the GoPro Hero 8 Black and the DJI Osmo Action. This is how the charging curve looks like on the GoPro Hero 8 Black. During the period where the battery charges faster, it accepts around 1.1 amps. This lasts for about 50 minutes and the battery is 76% charged after that. 80% of a complete charge are reached after 52 minutes and 40 seconds. On the GoPro Hero 8 Black, the full capacity is reached after 1 hour 46 minutes and 30 seconds. Now let's look at the charging curve on the DJI Osmo Action. On its fast charge phase, the DJI battery receives up to 1.3 amps. This goes 32 minutes and 30 seconds long, and at the end the battery is 65% charged. The 80% of a full charge are achieved here in 42 minutes. The battery is then fully charged after 1 hour 22 minutes and 30 seconds. As you could see, the battery on the GoPro Hero 8 Black took 24 minutes longer to fully charge than the one on the DJI Osmo Action.